Bruh. Bruh.
What's up guys, this is Sloan from BA Karts and I wanted to take you through this Onward build that we just finished. This puppy is going to Connecticut here soon and he chose quite a few pretty cool features. So obviously it's an Onward, so it's got the Onward front cowl and we've got the Onward brush guard with the fender flares. We've got our custom aluminum BA plate down there to show it that we built this one. And then we got the 14-inch all black Zeus rims with the 23-inch Kraken tires. And then I'll take you over here to the interior. So we've got the premium pleated black cushions. And then here in the dash, we've got the Hertz HMR50 head unit, marine grade head unit. You'll find this in a lot of boats. And that is powered by a 400 watt amp that's inside the dash. And that is all powering the Hertz HMX speakers. This is Hertz's top of the line marine grade speaker. And that's here in the club car overhead console. And we also install a dome light so it can light up the car at night if you're looking for your keys and wallet. And then there's also HMX speakers in our waterproof enclosure that's installed flush down here in the tub. And it's kind of hard to see because of seatbelts, but this system screams. With these speakers, Hertz makes some of the best audio equipment in the industry right now. You know, like I said, you'll see this stuff in a lot of boats. And when you put it in a golf cart, you literally can't even crank this to be full volume because it'll just blow your eardrums because it plays so dang loud. You can literally hear this from a couple hundred feet away driving down the road. So, but yeah, that's the audio. And then here also in the dash, we've got the three custom-made rocker switches. One is the party lights. So when you turn those on, that'll be the underglow LEDs. That'll also be the LEDs in the speakers, in the rear speakers. And then there's also a rock light for the LEDs in the roof that shines down the roof. And then we also have the LED light bar. I'll show you the Storm. We actually make our own mounts for the LED light bar. And why we make it is because you can fold the windshield up and down. So when I tilt that up, I can now bring the windshield down. And that is because DB Link makes this nice skinny LED light bar, which helps a lot. And then we also make these custom mounts. So I can flip it up and then flip this down and we're good to go. And then the last switch here is the flush mount rear LEDs. And this is just really nice. A lot of customers actually tell us that they love to see these. Let me turn them They love to see these on. It just helps them with their backing up into something. You're backing up into your garage, you're working on something, and you'll realize, hey, I need to light this up. Now I got some lights. And one thing that's kind of our mantra is we like to install stuff that's functional, but also not an eyesore. And then also here in the dash, you know, it's an Onward. So we've got the electronic gas gauge, we got the hour meter, we got the headlight switch, and then we got USB charger. And this Onward is street legal, so you got the turn signals, horn, all that. Then back here, we got the back seat, factory Onward back seat. We got the 2-inch receiver made by Tagalong. And then we've got the swivel cup holders. We got the rear lighted license plate mount since this cart needs to be street legal. And then when you flip the back seat down, you've got your cooler. And then last but not least, I believe, you've got the roof handles. And we actually like to do the Onward roof handles in the front, but we only do double take handles in the rear. And the reason we do that is because when you're sitting back here, if you've got these handles back here, your eyes are level with those grab bars, and we don't like that. A lot of customers don't like that. They like, you're sitting way higher than the front is, so your handle should be higher too. So that's why we do the double take handles here too. So, but yeah, we're pretty dang happy with this build. Like I said, it screams, the audio screams. We're really pumped for this customer in Connecticut to see this and hear it. And yeah, thank you for watching.